Hello Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po yung nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Taurus, pauna mensahe ninyo, 10 of Wands. This is an ending and beginning energy. Kaya maaaring meron kayong mga tatapusin na dito na sitwasyon, no? This could be in trabaho, karera, relationship, obligasyon sa pamilya, maaaring ganon. So whatever this is, bigat na kayo. Feeling ninyo, pasan na ninyo ang mundo, yung ganon. So, and maybe this has been happening for quite some time na. This has been happening for so long, no? Kaya ngayon para naiisip ninyo na, talaga ba? Ako lahat, 'di ba? Kailangan ko ba tong talagang bitbitin lahat all by myself? Kaya maaaring you're going to realize na tama na, 'di ba? Tama na. Parang hindi naman to fair para sa sarili ko na bitbitin ko lahat, 'di ba? Kaya maybe you're going to speak up and ask for help, or baka hindi na, no? Baka talagang iiwanan mo na lang ang sitwasyon na ito. Page of Wands. Ayan. There are some exciting news coming your way. Meron magagandang balita. Maybe that is regarding to opportunities, no? That is linked sa inyong pwedeng pagkaperahan siguro. Or mga opportunities na magbibigay ng pagkakataon na ma-excite kang muli, mabuhay muli yung passion, yung ganon, no? What else? We have Two of Cups. There is partnership coming your way. Baka partnership in love ito, Taurus, no? Because meron puso, so baka this is new love life, no? Napapasukin ng iba sa inyo, lalong-lalo na if you are still single. Okay? So baka dito magkakaroon kayo ng bagong jowa, bagong kaligawan, maaaring ganun ang ganap. What else? We have justice. You are getting what you deserve ngayon, Taurus. Kung anong para sa'yo, yun ang dadating sa iyo. This is karma at play sa ngayon. Whatever it is na kind of energy that you put out in the universe in the past, that is exactly what's coming back towards you sa ngayon. Kaya kung maganda, good deeds ang ginawa ninyo nung mga nakaraang panahon, expect good things, no? Then towards you ang dadating. Maaari din na yung balanse sa buhay ninyo may babalik nyo na. Magiging maayos ng lahat siguro. Ito magiging maayos na to, no? Ma-address ninyo ito na problema ninyong ito. Kaya you will be back in order. Now things in your life is going to be back in order. Six of Swords. Yan. Pwede rin na aalis na kayo. Na kung ano man sitwasyon ito na hindi na to healthy para sa'yo, toxic na to, unhealthy, hindi na to nagsiserve ng inyong highest good. Talagang siguro, you're going to put an end to that. Iiwanan mo na yan. You are going to leave that behind you, and you are heading towards a new path. You are heading towards a new place, no? Kasi you are also going to remove yourself physically from this situation, no? Pupunta talaga kayo sa isang lugar na maaring bago para sa iyo, or doon ninyo nakikitang magbagong buhay. Kasi nga, kumbaga ano kayo ngayon you're leaving behind troubled waters and you're heading towards calmer waters. So kung saan kayo papunta, doon kayo magiging masaya na, magiging peaceful, magiging safe, magiging fulfilled, satisfied, no? Kaya doon ninyo babawiin yung pagod, yung stress na naranasan ninyong lahat at na-pick up ninyo from your previous situation, no? So good luck sa'yo. Tsaka may travel, no? Maybe you are really going to travel far. Baka mangingibang bansa pa ang iba sa inyo, no? Nakikita ko dito travel by air, kaya baka malayo-layo ang pupuntahan ninyo. What else? We have Four of Wands. Ayan. So, there is something dito na i-celebrate kayo. This could be related to this. Diba? Tagumpay ito yung pag-alis ninyo, yung paglalakas ng loob ninyo na iwanan ang isang toxic situation. That is huge. Diba? That's a huge decision at malaking tagumpay ito kasi it's not easy to do this, diba? Leaving behind something or someone is not easy. Kaya, kailangan ninyo dito ng iba yung tatag ng loob at tibay ng dibdib for you to be able to do that. Kaya maaring yan ang isa sa isa-celebrate ninyo kasi finally nagkaroon na kayo ng buto, di ba? Na gawin yon. Iwanan ang sitwasyon, maglakas ng loob na iwanan ang ganung sitwasyon. So, that is something that you are going to celebrate. Possible then, for others of you naman dito, kasi iba-iba tayo na sitwasyon, baka yung 4 of Wands energy na to signifies marriage, kasiyahan, union in marriage, baka meron din engagement, mga ganon, or reunion. So, siguro, baka uuwi kayo sa pamilya ninyo, no? At magra-reunion kayo, may reunion din ng mga kaibigan ninyo, maaaring ganon din ang ganap dyan, no? We have 7 of Wands. Ayan. So, may mga tao pa rin na naiinggit sa inyo. May mga taong siguro tinatry kayong siraan to take you down, no? Maaring ganon. Pero, hindi kayo dito, you're going to fight, diba? You're going to give a good fight dito kung kinakailangan. So, use your own judgment and discernment on that situation, Taurus. Kayo lang tayo nakakalam kung anong dapat ninyong gawin dito, no? Makinig kayo sa inyong intuition so that you will be guided accordingly. Kung kailangan ninyong labanan or hindi. Kasi you need to choose your battles, diba? Merong mga sitwasyon na kailangan nating harapin talaga squarely. Merong kailangang atrasan na lang natin or deadmahin na lang kasi wala namang kwenta, diba? Or sayang lang ng oras, panahon at atensyon. King of Wands, napakaganda. Kasi baka merong promotion dito kayo. Siguro, maraming naiinggit sa'yo. So, there could be promotion dito for leadership role. Baka magiging supervisor na kayo, manager, boss, ganon. Or magiging entrepreneur na kayo, Taurus. Baka bibitaw na kayo sa inyong trabaho at kayo ay magnenegosyo na, no? Or baka magnenegosyo on the side while you are working. So, maaaring ganun ang ganap. So, good luck. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste.